Hey! What's up? Improvement Warrior Jason Yun, back with you again in the kitchen, making a keto main dish. We're doing cauliflower loaded cauliflower. Okay, loaded cauliflower, mashed potatoes, and alright. So you got shredded cheese, any type of cheese that you want. About 1 cup, I think we got about 1.25. We got about 4 ounces of cheese there. And then garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon, salt and pepper to taste. We got pink Himalayan sea salt, butter, 4 tablespoons of butter. Bacon is underneath there. You'll need 2 slices of that crumbled up. Sour cream, you will need 4 ounces, and then you'll need cauliflower. So you can use like a whole thingamajiggy, I forget what it's called, a whole fresh cauliflower, and just rice that up, or you can use rice cauliflower. So that's what we got, the first step going in there. We're going to make it soft so we can put it in the food processor, make it nice. So in the Instapot, we are sauteing it. If you don't have an Instapot, you can put it in the pot on the stove and make it nice and soft. But that's it. I'll show you the next step after the saute is done. So cauliflower is done and all steamed up. So you're just going to add it to your food processor. So once you got that, the butter, bacon cooking up over here. So bacon is almost done, and then I'll take that out so we got extra fat with the bacon grease in with the butter. Once that's going, the only thing you'll add is the garlic powder, the sour cream, and the butter bacon mixture, and then we'll show you the next step. 8 ounces, 1 cup. Alright, so next step, and a little tip, once the food processor stuff is done, wash it immediately. Okay. Otherwise cleaning will be a lot bigger challenge. Okay, so we're going to add pepper, just a little bit. Okay, so that was probably less than 1/4 teaspoon. Salt. That's probably 3/4 teaspoon. And half of the cheese. Alright. Last part. Divvy up the bacon, divvy up the cheese on top. There you have it, loaded cauliflower.
Put some in your mouth.
You like it?
No.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
What does Mrs. Yun think?
It's good.
2 taste tests going on. Keto cornbread, loaded cauliflower mash. This is good. This is delicious, little bit. You want to try?
No.
With some bacon?
No.
It's delicious.
It is delicious.
I just want bacon. I just want bacon.
Well, we don't have just bacon. This is a 10. Delicious. So that's it. Loaded cauliflower. Keto cornbread. Excellent dishes. Highly recommend them. If you make them, let me know how they turned out for you. Also, don't forget, check out the links below. The Keto Challenge, Cleanse Challenge, Paleo Challenge, all down below. Everything to help you grow stronger. LBN, work out with me. If you need an online personal trainer, over 250 workouts. Check that out. Also, check out the Facebook support group. down below, dreams achieved. We are a community, mindset, lifestyle, nutrition, fitness, health, everything intertwined to make you the improvement warrior, the ultimate improvement warrior. Otherwise, appreciate for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell to get notified of new videos, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, stay strong, stay positive, be the improvement warrior.
More bites. Yeah. No, keep going. It's yummy, isn't it? Is it yummy? Yeah. No, keep going. I see a piece of bacon there.
Where?
Right there.
Right here?
Uh-huh.